Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIOC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day once again. Now, granted, the entire markets were crazy today, but after the dust has settled, an interesting setup here going forward. And the setup is based off of the overall premise that, yeah, there's the gap down. Yeah, the price went and continued to go down that opening hour, but it's not a situation. This will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have, then I'm sure you've seen stocks where they gap down and then they start to go down and then they just do this and they just keep on going down throughout the entire day. But that didn't happen here. Sure, it went down, but then the price at least started to go sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price started to go sideways does not mean that for sure, guaranteed, this is the bottom and the price is getting ready to, bounce back to the upside. My point is, it's at least a rational thought. It's at least a valid thought to have that, maybe this is going to be some sort of bottom here. Now, if it is the bottom, well, this is where our first key support point comes into play. And, the bottom being defined as, well, not going any lower. Any lower relative to what? Well, the lows from today, which are at 30 cents. So 30 cents, you can see multiple occasions. Price try to push down through those levels, but to give credit where credit's due, did a good job of holding strong. And that's going to be the level that you're going to want to see continue to hold strong going into, not necessarily just Friday, but, the foreseeable future, and to see if this can try to, be the little bounce point here. And on that note of bouncing, so if the price does start to work its way back upwards, where are the key levels of resistance at? Where the key level and initial level to watch is going to be that trend line right there. So keep a close eye on that, and if the price can get a good, solid, high-volume break of that trend line, then the next level you'd want to turn your attention to is the purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at 38 cents. So definitely an interesting setup here going forward with the potential bottom. So we'll see if this one can indeed start to work its way back upwards on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.